Well, and the head is on now. Let's get some bolts in this thing here. What a beautiful sunrise. Good morning. This is my yard is my garage. I'm Bishop. My yard is my garage. And as you can tell, we're going to be putting the head, or already have put a head, on our engine. Today we're working on our 2010 Mini Cooper S R57 with the N14 engine. The head is on. You saw that. Let's go ahead and do the rest of the things that we need to do. Tighten bolts, all that good stuff. All right. Let's get our head bolts in. So we're just going to lightly lubricate these, just using motor oil, the Molly stuff. The small one goes right here on the front. There are 13 bolts that hold the head on. Short one here, there's 2 mediums here, and then the rest are all the really long ones. You don't want to over oil these too much because you could hydrolock them as you're tightening them. So just put some oil on here and then wipe it down. Oops. I'm just running these down, save myself a little time on the wrist action. All right, I'm going to go look up that torque sequence and foot-pounds. Okay, so our tightening order here is a little odd. We're going to do these 10 bolts, the really long ones. Those are all going to be done to 22 foot-pounds, and then a 90-degree turn, and then another 90-degree turn. The end ones here are also going to be done, but after these 10. So these ones will also be done to that same 22 foot-pounds, then a 90, then a 90. And then the last one you do is this little tiny one down here. There we go. That tiny little one, that'll be to 25 Newton meters, which is about 20 foot-pounds, or yeah, something like that. I'll go back and look that one up, but that's the last one you do. So you do all of these first, then those, and then these. So your tightening order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then these two, then that one. All right, so let's get tightening. I'm just gonna run these down the rest of the way by hand. And these are E12s. These two and this one are an E10. Curious to see what an E thing looks like. It kind of looks like a star, but they're indented much farther. Okay, so we're going to do our sequence here first, sequence here first, sequence here first. Then we'll do these and that one. Okay, so we're going to our 22. All right, so now we do a 90 degree, then a 90 degree. So that's just from noon to 3. That's the first one. That's the first one. All right, and then we have another 90, and then we're done with these 10. All right, these are just 15, then 90 and 90. 15 Newton meters. So I'm going to go convert that over to foot pounds. I'll be right, or pound inches. I'll be right back. These ones here, you tighten just once. They go to 15 Newton meters, which is 132 inch pounds. So you just torque those two, and then this one over here is at, I'll look that up again. So 132 inch pounds. Then this one over here, let me go see what that last one is. All right, the head is torqued. Woohoo! All right, well, there you go. That's how you put the pistons in, rings, seal, and head gasket and head tightening. So that's all done. So yeah, that's for next steps. Man, that took a lot of effort today. Well, thanks for stopping by on our R57 convertible 2010 Mini Cooper S truck, where we are doing an engine rebuild, warm over, not a restore. We just want to get some miles out of it so we don't have to work on, funding some petroleum plant, because this thing just drinks the gas. Thanks for coming by again. Subscribe if you like what you've seen. Go ahead and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I got new content. And as always, I thank you for coming by. My name is Bishop. My yard is my garage. And it's fall now. So, yeah, it's going to be raining on me all the time now. Well, we'll see you next time.